Good evening. Good morning. Good afternoon. Good evening. How are you guys doing today? I hope you are doing good. Good morning. Good afternoon. Good evening, depending on your time zone. How are you guys doing today? Yes, Biafrans are ready to go home. Biafrans are ready to go home. Biafrans are ready to go home. Are you ready? Biafrans, are you ready? Welcome, 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 welcome. Are you ready to go home? We are live and direct on our Twitter, on our, no Twitter, on our YouTube, on our Instagram, on our Facebook pages, everywhere. Yes, this is the face of Ada Biafra. How are you guys doing? Yes, I see people ready. If you are ready, please raise your hands up. Jerry, I see you. Uchenna, Udoye, Nonyalomo, I see you. Wisdom, I see you. Emma, I see you. Yes, we are ready to go home. Don't be distracted. Just focus. We are focusing on the ball. The ball is Biafra. The ball is freedom. We are not relenting. We are not backing down. Nothing on earth will make us go back. I see you all. As you are joining, please hit the like button.
I don't know what you mean by
I'm not
I see you all. I see I don't him. Please hit the like button. How about a web search for it?
I'm not talking to you, my laptop, please. I'm not talking to you, please. I think I need to stop this. It's repeating. I'm not talking to you. I'm talking to Biafrans, people watching me, my viewers. Yes. Yes, I see you, Ify. I see everybody. I see everybody, all of you. Thank you for joining me. Thank you for always being there. Get ready to call in when I say call in. Remember to join our new YouTube channel. They released this one yesterday night. So we are going to always be ready in case of the worst. Once they block you, open another one. Keep doing what you are doing. We are not backing down. Hey, Prof, I see you. Onyami in the house. Ify, I see you. Nwiboko, the Onyami himself, the academic highness, I see you. Yes, we are going home. Biafra is our home. Imagine Biafra land without Mazen Nnamdi Kanu today, without our Prime Minister, Simon Ekpa, without ESN, the gallant men and women. Do you know that we have women in the gallant ESN? Do you know that some women are doing the needful, while some of them are running away? Remember about women riot. Remember Ada Biafra from Chicago. Remember the picture of Igbo landing in America. The Igbo landing, you saw the pictures of our women. The people that jump back to the... When you are watching video, something pop up on my YouTube now. He said I don't know what I click. I don't have my glasses. They will always want to ask you questions concerning the channels, whether you are watching at Parawasoni, whether you are watching from Biafra 247, Vam, Biafra Unite Television, Battle Cry. They will always pop up a message asking you, do you like the channel? What do you think about the channel? They want to bring down all the channels. Don't hesitate to be giving thumb up, to be pushing, because what they are doing, you cannot do it. Even your husband or your sister or your wife cannot do it. So they might be blocking us through the Zoom. They will always give us thumb down, but guess what? We are moving ahead. Thank you, Angel, Claire. I see you. I see everybody. The link to my new channel is over there. You can see it. In case whenever you don't see Ada Biafra, check me out there. I will start with another one. I don't care what they want to do us. The zoo today, some of our agitators today, what they're after is how to stop sit at home. Sit at home has been the only tool that is working till today. Have you seen anything except the sit at home that is making them to be people that don't want to talk about our leader? They are talking because of the sit at home. They are talking because we are crushing the economy of the Biafra people, of the zoo people. You don't have economy in that Nigeria. Before now, how many years? 60 years. 60 years. When they said we are crushing Nigeria government economy, we are not crushing economy of Biafra people. Sorry about that. When we say we are crushing the economy of that zoo, what do we mean? It is hitting them hard. That's why they are talking. The people that don't want to talk about our leader is talking today. The people that don't want us to breathe is talking today. The Burkina Faso, the Mali, the Niger, the people that you see fighting today, show me who you will present as they're presenting their leader. Who will you present? Is it our leader that are caged in DSS dungeon that you will present today? If not our leader, our prime minister. He is the one, the game changer, the mathematics, the zoo cannot solve. The equation, the zoo cannot solve. The sleepless night of Ndenzama, the heart attack of Ndi Ohaneze Mkpuru Mmiri. Today, you see that they are looking for a way to buy somebody in Finland to go and attack our prime minister. The pictures are everywhere. The videos are everywhere. One Efulev in Finland, they promised to pay him 2,500 euros. I be 200, I don't, or 2 million, I don't know. To tell you that people that did what happened to our leader is this Ohaneze Mkpuru Mmiri. Sit at home must continue. Thank you, Angel. Jerry Mwibo, thank you. Emma, I see you. Sit at home must continue. That's the only thing we are holding now. That's the only weapon everybody have. And guess what? You are sitting in your house. You are not sitting in their houses. Why are they always panicking when they hear sit at home? Why are they always panicking when they hear sit at home? Why are people fighting Simon now instead of fighting for Biafra? Why are you fighting for sit at home instead of fighting for Fulani killing you? The people sitting at home, are they sitting in your bed? Are they sitting in your house? Use the sit at home. How many of you have gone for your vacation this year? I've gone. I will do again. How many of you have gone for break? Oyibo, when they work, they go for holiday, vacation. Why are you suffering? Why the mineral resources meant for you to live better like human being are being used for other people, the Caucasians? They suck you. Look at what happened. Let me see if I can get it. Look at what happened today and yesterday. Hold on, let me go to my page. How they have destroyed all the cars they were using the cars to work in France because the French government, the government of Burkina Faso told them to leave their country alone. They decided to destroy all the cars they were using. They destroyed all the what do you call it? Official cars meant for, instead of them to give it to the people working with them. Don't they have the black people working with them? They have it, but they don't care. Hold on, I will post it. I think it's in my. They don't care. Nobody care for you. Please live your life like human. You need life. You need life. I don't want to bring the video. Let me show you the picture. Let me just show you the picture. This picture. You see this picture? You see this picture? This picture is the picture of how they are destroying the official cars the Oyibo used instead of them. Nke ha bụ kama ha ga-ahapụ the moto ka ha gbalisie ka ha mebisie ya. I shared it on my TikTok. Ka ha gbalisie ka ha mebisie ya. They want to spoil it before they go. Can you imagine how wicked these people that have been milking Africa are? Just imagine that Biafrans are not waking up. Other African countries are not supporting to go. What will happen by now? Tell me what would have happened by now. What would have happened by now? Wickedness. Wickedness of the highest places. That is why Oyibo will come to your village and milk your oil. You will be in darkness and they will be enjoying. Excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse me. The Oyibo will decide that they prefer you to be in darkness. They prefer you to be in darkness while they enjoy their amenities. They prefer you die in poverty, abject poverty, but they use your mineral resources to live, to build the skyscraper. Yes, thank you. The Chinkos did it in the Gambia some years ago. Today, the Chinko is even buying or borrowing. All the money they borrowed to the zoo government is for them to get everything you have. I wouldn't know now Chinko, ndi Chinko nalu police station. I don't know how the news, whether not true or not. Somebody told me that Chinko is busy building police station in the zoo. Unu ekweghakwa ụgwọ unu ji ha ihe unu boro ka ha eme gịnị ha ebido nkwaba unu by force. If you don't join what we are doing, if you don't support what our prime minister is doing, what do you gain? You are following Ifeanyi Oba that is covering our people faces and paying them peanuts. The same way Ohaneze ndị mkpụrụ mmiri created a bube monkey and equipped them with weapons. Today, they cannot do nothing. They said they dissolved them. Did they collect back the weapon they gave them during that time? No. The Ifeanyi, the Kedah here in America that created Anyandi Igbo. Where is the Anyandi Igbo today? Where are the boys they created for election? Is Obi still coming? We warned you people, but you don't want to listen. They created Anyandi Igbo for election. Now, where are the Anyandi Igbos? Who are the people harvesting organs for the Alhajis? The Bubago, the Anyandi Igbo, they use you to kill your own people. Why the Oyibo are enjoying? Biafrans, wake up. Everybody is ready to go home. Are you ready to go home? Raise your hand up. Burkina Faso, Mali, Niger, Benin, everywhere, everybody is waking up. So if our leader, Mazen Nnamdi Kanu, who has been awake since how many years, And some people wrote me yesterday, I'm even supporting what Africa. But before, they are supporting one Nigeria. And they've been enjoying America, freedom, everything. You saw our people jump that we are in the boat. Instead of these boys to stay back and fight their freedom, they want to come here for advanced slavery. They want to go to Europe for advanced slavery. Guess who will help them again? Biafra government in exile will be the one that will start calling. We are in Europe. We are here. Come and help us. So, because sometimes I see some things as distraction. Do you know how many meetings our prime minister is doing every day with the ministers, with the head of state, with the head of other country government? Do you know? Do you know that that guy is not even sleeping in the night? Ọkwa picture na picture ndị Mali na ndị picture ndị ọzọ kịta ka etikọli na-akpọ ha game changer. Kedu onye ịkara iti your papa gị? Na your papa picture we for put for Mali people, Ambazonia person, the Niger, the Burkina Faso, that you saw their gallant leader, their spokesperson. Now your papa head we for put there. I've been at your empty skull, I've been at your husband head we for put there. At least if they say bring your spokesperson today, you have somebody you can present today. Who is that person? Our prime minister, our BRGIE. Or how? They are our representative today. No government anywhere in the zoo now except that government. Guanomo, tell me in the comment section which government you should have presented when Biden say bring your representative. Now your uncle will for send to represent. I've been under Zama group where political solution. I've been now your papa, I've been your uncle where they wear bongo trousers for America for over 40 years. I've been at the people where come, where use IPOB, get asylum paper, and turn back to spit on the dead bodies of our people by supporting Nigeria that chased them away. That is the problem. Because I know I've helped many people here in America. Hey, Obi, how do I do? I don't get strength to go and marry 70 years old woman. Obi, how do I do? Now you have two legs in America. You turn back to be supporting the Nigeria that chased you away. The spirit of our ancestors will visit you. You know, I know, you know, I'm talking to you. You know who you are. Thank you for sharing. Make sure you share it wide. Makande, Auntie Abi, Sister Abi, Ada Biafra, please help me. I need this one. I need that one. Many years ago, I know so many of them that got asylum through what we are doing. Today, they turn back. I was watching one yesterday in church. This life. I was watching one of them yesterday. Because I know that these people don't want helping. Are you ready to go? Or you want advanced slavery? Wait, I will share the food one woman gave me. Don't bring your African food. Don't bring your food. We will feed you. They will feed you. This is the kind of food they will feed you. They will feed you. They will be, because you are in advanced slavery. If you don't have bread, you should know that people that are here. You heard one Ada Biafra when he called in ESN fundraising, say she is tired of America. She want to go home. 5 years ago, I am tired already. I want to go back home. Biafra is my home. You think you want to apply for visa? Some of you watching me, yes, I want to come here. Why not build your country? I came 5 years ago. I was amazed. I was surprised what I met. That was why what gingered me to start fighting. Some of them thought that because we are now in America, They don't know what I saw that prompted me to start talking about my freedom. People that don't have half of me, God have blessed Biafrans, blessed the whole Nigeria, that they're supposed to use the mineral resources bestowed on them to be like human beings. But the caliphate, the Fulani want you to still live like a nomadic people. The owner of the Nigeria, who created Nigeria, have been milking you from time Imo River. They don't want you to breathe. But today, Africans are waking up. Are you not surprised? I know that one day, even the same people that are clamoring, do you see the Yoruba start talk again? Because they believe maybe after Tinubu 8 years, we will start agitating again. That was what some of you planned by foolishly joining Obidiot. After 8 years, so what? You go back to square one, while other countries have chased their France away, chased their British away. And out of anger, they are destroying the cars they use instead of sharing it to people that work with them. You destroy my line. You came to milk my mineral resources, made me to be sleeping, fighting each other. We were busy fighting each other. And when we realized that this fight doesn't make sense, so let's fight for our freedom. My brother is not my problem. My Simon Epa is not my problem. Nnamdi Kanu is not my problem. I have uranium. I have gold. I have mineral. I have everything. I have. Do you know what? Please, under the comment section, can you please mention the things that you know we Biafrans we are blessed with? We have been a blessing to the whole world. Salt, akinu, apple, gold, oil, but they only show you oil. Well, you don't know what we have because you are busy chasing Simon Epa, thinking that Simon is your problem. Because the 10% that are chasing Simon Epa are the upcoming legislators, the legislators on ground, the people they promise, and the upcoming religious leaders. Who told you about Sky Jesus? That you should ask Jesus for job instead of asking the government. The little representative, who, of course, you know they don't represent us. They don't want you to know what they are getting. How much are they paying the people, senators? Do you know how much they are paying senators every month? Sitting allowance, newspaper allowance, wardrobe allowance, sandal allowance, slippers allowance, bekus allowance, all those allowances. And you are suffering, no job. No job. Because even the Kweremadu that is in detention in Europe, in Belize, the son is doing flamboyant wedding. Obasaria. Because when you finish studying there, come back, we will put you in one of the Senate. You will be upcoming senator, as your papa don't do about 20 to 25 years. Look at him that we respect so much. Look at him. But you must, when you finish, you go home in shame. Emefiele abi wetin be name is one of it. They are covering their face. They don't want videos of people to get his face. They don't want his face to show in the newspaper. They don't want his face to show in TV. Serve the zoo and come back in shame. Biafrans are ready to go home. Thank you for doing it yesterday. We love you guys always. Somebody call, please. Don't call. Okay, I can take it. You know the number to call? You can call. Let me take some call. Let me see. Don't know how to add the number. Don't know how to put the number again. You know, I'm old school. I'm busy doing some things. Oh, where is the number? Okay, I will add the number on the screen. If you have the number, you can call. Sorry about that. We are going home. Biafrans are ready to go home. I don't have time to be coming every time. I am busy. I am busy, busy, busy. So if you want to call, the number is on the screen. Is the number showing? I don't know. You can call in and contribute. We must continue. Biafrans are ready. That's why they are sitting at home. Nobody is forcing you to sit at home. Nobody is forcing you to sit at home. Sit at home is a willful thing that you will do by yourself without anybody telling you to sit at home. Mba. Mba. You don't need anybody to tell you to sit at home before you sit at home. Nobody is forcing you to sit at home. Nobody. Don't say we are enforcing it. Unless now you the enforcer. Use the opportunity. Use the opportunity to talk to our people. Yes, so we have cobalt, uranium, petroleum, CIO, nickel, gold. Oh, nickel is gold, okay. Silver, aluminium, etc. And you are living, when I told somebody that we have California in Nigeria, he said, are you guys living in a glass house? That was his question. I said, but you know, we are in abject poverty. He said, no, you have to buy all the legislator. They are the one holding you hostage. Because he was worried. If somebody that have Californium, he put it on the phone immediately to Google it out and say, are you guys are living like you're supposed to live better? You're supposed to live like big shots. You are supposed to be the highest. But here you go, you are suffering. You are suffering. Why will you be suffering? Why will you be suffering? Because you let this 10% to be dictating for you. You allow 10% to be dictating for you. Why? Only few that don't even have nothing. Dictating for you, you continue suffering. When will you wake up? When will you wake up? When will you know what you have in between? When do you know that you are a man, that you are not a woman, that you are supposed to be the one saying this thing that Biafra is saying, especially you that live over outside the shores of the zoo? You are waiting for that Biafra to be encouraging you. I'm telling the people here what is going on in my country. And I'm going to do a broadcast. I'm going to do a live video calling on the Ukrainian, the Israelite Prime Minister. We have a caller. Please make sure you like it wherever you are. Hello.
Hello, Hamara that no command can have to it's a kind of me. So, program, okay? In the very way, my national colonial master, here no one was only by the system, my Islamic system. It would change at the man, I have put. God gave us lots of things, you know, in that Biafra land. We have all the mineral resources like the copper that is for Kuruta internationally. The main one. We have another one that's called Alpha. It's not yet in It's what's called the R-to-3 layer. Then you still have the one called molybdenum. You have the one called californium. You have aluminium. You have petroleum. You have a gas. You have LPG. You have, there is another one that they have been taken through on the ocean from the advice of Biafra to British Empire. That one is what's called electrolyte of vehicle. That is now nobody can be. Therefore, only people use fuel in propelling their vehicle. Very few use fuel in propelling their vehicle. But what is this? They make use of kind of gas that's not like the fuel. The end product of the gas. Where is it coming from? From Africa. The Africans. That's the LPG. You have to that's the way they call it. That's the way they call it. And also, but we that have it, why can't we have that then? After that, is the church. And I go to it. And then all sorts of nonsense. So I thought to support what you're saying, but very right.
Thank you.
Very right.
Thank you. Ononoria, did you hear him? We have Kolota here, Jalu Kolota. Do you know that even the mineral resources they are taking away, when they refine it, the chaff, the end product, the one you think is chaff, is waste, is still useful. It is still useful. They will use everything. They will milk you. They are laying pipe from Nigeria, from your backyard, to their own country to go and develop their own country. We are blessed with many, many things, but we keep suffering. The America I am in today, they are even supporting that we will not disintegrate. Man, I got one nando because if this our brother, our Onyame, has listened to the country he is, they will send him to go and cause fight. They will use you, your brother, to go and cause fight. That is what they do. They will use our own brother and cause fight between us. We keep fighting, they will be making us. When you stop fighting, you look down and say, eh? Inwere ihe eji arụ kolota, nwe oyi, nwe petroleum, nwe uranium, nwe californium, nwe ihe niile nyom. But onwe nke anyị pasta. Uru ka ọwụ. Even akinu, common akinu, bitter cola. Ịma ihe eji arụ. Ejicha m onugbu, bitter leaf. Onugbu ahụ anyị nwere na Biafra land na n'azụ ụlọ gị. Onugbu ahụ eji arụ ọgwụ BP. Iwe idea. We are blessed. Even ịhapụgodi ndị nnụnụ ndị a na-adado nyom. Ihe anyị nwere ọya ka nji sị, ọ bụrụkwa ọyịrị nwa na ha were ma anyị dị ndụ. We are fighting for our dear life. We are not fighting because of oil or nyom. Ndụ anyị ka anyị bụ ụzọ na-anụgodo ọgụ ya ka anyị dịgodi nke bụ ndụ. From there, ewee nụbazie na enwere ihe ndị ọzọ. Ọ bụrụ na ha anaghị egbudo anyị egbu, ọ bụrụ na ha ejighọ ndị Fulani na-egbu anyị because they are the one sending Fulani to keep fighting us and killing us. That made our leader to start fighting. To start looking for a way to protect our lives. Because so onye dị ndụ first. When you are alive first, bidozi okwubezi okwu ihe ndị ọzọ. Other countries, ọ bụ na ndị Niger na Burkina Faso na ndị nwere uranium na ndị Ambazonians, if they are not fighting, will you, Mumu, know that what you are fighting for is your right? What I'm doing here, you think if it is not right, America will allow me? You think if what I'm doing is not my legal right? You have right to fight for your freedom. Right to live. Many rights Whether you are in America, whether you have been living for time in River, it is your right to defend yourself. You cannot be, and the enemy will come with AK-40 and buy your mother, buy your father. You will not look for AK-1 million to fight back. That is why you must support our ESN gallant men. www.ipobinusa.org/donate. You must do the needful. Buy granite for our boys. Some of you will give foundation. You have money to go and build 3 decades, because one of them that I gave, that IPOB, this flag, gave leg in America. He built his house upstairs in 6 months, to tell you the kind of money people make. But let me tell you this side of this story. I met people last week. Yes. How the America has been milking our people. Listen very careful. They came to do masters. 1 year program. How much? $75,000. How much is $75,000? Almost 70 million naira. For 1 year program. And they are to pay it within that 1 year. How many people have that kind of money in Nigeria? You see how America is busy milking our people, because often I want freedom. If you have freedom, you won't even come here. Can you hear that? What is here? And they give you only 20 hours of work. Only 20 hours, and you must work inside the school. Only 20 hours work. He get $75,000. What more the wickedness carry on? Tell me the kind of wickedness that is above this. Adetayo, remove your comment from this page. Adetayo, remove that comment right now. Tell me the kind of wickedness that is above that. Look at France, because the African country where they are milking, they have been milking from time Imo River told them to go. They now destroyed the cars they used while they were living in that country, milking them. Look at the black guy in front of it. The black guy was even pleading, helpless. Can't you leave this car for this black, that African Akebulon? We call ourselves Akebulon, not African, not black. We are, all Africans are Akebulon. That is who we are. To humiliate the guy, they were destroying the car in front of him. What manner of wickedness is that? Biafrans are ready to go home, and nobody should stop us. Nobody. When I say nobody, if you stop on our way, we will deal with you. We don't care who you are. We are focusing on the ball, and that ball is freedom. Biafra must be restored. The spirit of people that have died because of this agitation will never go in vain. It comes for them. Our forefathers. Ojuku them. So are you the one to come and stop us? Some of you are planning to go to Finland to go and attack our prime minister. He will be the one that will put handcuff in your hand. He will be the one that will put handcuff in your hand if you ever near that country called Finland. Obodoma. Obodoma na support ihe anyị na-eme. Time Imo River. Yes. They have been making us since the time Imo River. And they don't want us to be. Even America, the oil companies, in that zoo. Some of them, they have interest. That's why you see them, they kept quiet. When they decide to give it to Kano Jet, to the Fulani, to kill Biafrans. So my hard-earned money, if I pay my tax here, you use it and buy weapon and give Fulani to come and kill Biafrans, they will go back in body bags. They are going back already now. Woto. We have what it takes. We must restore Biafra. We are not begging you. We are not begging you. Come. We will send you back with body bags. You see them doing video. Yes. All the people that did video, where are they today? All the people that did video, we are going to Biafra land. We will deal with you. Did you see them doing video when they are going back? That is to tell you the capability of our men, our gallant men. We have gallant men and women. You that is not supporting them, tell me the last time you saw a Bubago chasing the Fulani away from Biafra land. When was the last time? When was the last time you have seen a Bubago? Have you ever seen it? A Bubago chasing the Fulani away? This is my second YouTube. In case you don't see me, check that one. How many times have you seen a Bubago chasing the Fulani away? You can never see them. Our gallant men, Zulu Keme, you can never come to Biafra land to buy any Biafra and go back free. We have crossed the Rubicon. Once. We have crossed the Rubicon. We know the fear face. Now my face be this. If you hate me for what I'm doing, you can go and the lagoon is open. Many of them are jumping there too. People that have supported Nigeria refuse to talk. We are talking, you call us online country, you call us names, you call us Biafran. You say we are making noise. Later you go and jump into the lagoon. Now me push you in. Now people you supported, the spirit of our ancestors will push you more. You hated us so much that you were looking for our head. Some of them attacked me. Do you know how many people attacked me in Igbo Day? One told me that before I carry this flag, that I must pay for export. In Igbo Day, whole Igbo Day. I'm filing. The process is ongoing. The process is ongoing. If you know, you know. If you don't know, forget it. What I'm doing, your wife cannot do it. Your sister cannot do it. Even you, some men cannot do it. Some of you, men, they are enjoying in America. At this present dispensation, where the zoo government have killed and raped our women and send our youth to early grave, you have the guts to put Nigeria flag. First. That's why I say nobody's in Chicago. Only me running up and down. And I had a ndị here kwere ụfọdụ abịa ha kpụcha ihe ese foto pụọ je na-eme na ha bụ IPOB. Ha sị ha foto ha ejewa. Is that the kind of men? That is why our leader said, men are noisy. I'm looking for men. 100 men. Only 100 men. And guess what? Our prime minister and the BRG, they are more than the 100 men. We must Biafranize all of you. Thank you for sharing. I see everybody sharing. We are live. I see you in, I don't know how to pronounce your name in Instagram. I don't know how to pronounce your name, please. Sorry. We must go home. Biafra is our home. Are you ready to go? How many of you are ready to go? Are you ready to go, Biafrans? How many are ready to go? Thank you. I see you, Evange. I see you, Obele. I see everybody. I see everybody.
Is there something else I can help with?
I'm not talking to you, please. I'm talking to my viewers. Sorry about that.
Okay.
Yes, so Evange, we are ready. We are ready. I see everybody. Yes, we must Biafranize everybody. After all, do you think that the people that jumped back during the during the slavery, do you think that those people that jump into the lake instead of being slaves, you think they are the only one? No, they are not. They are not the only ones. Some people refused to go back. They became slaves forever. That is what you see today. Kama anyị ga na maka ụlọ alụrụ na Abuja, ịmakwa na alụta 2 rooms na Abuja, ịmakwa na alụrụ ofu na Gagbarada. Nonsense. Those houses, are they more important than the lives of your brothers and sisters? Those houses, are they not the one the Yoruba states are destroying in Lagos? Erota 2 decking. Erota 1 room and parlor. Igoterani na Kuje. Igoterani na Lagos, na Lekki. Kedu onye ga-ebi na-ekwukwọsị ụmụnna gị? Some of you that bought them are living in Canada, in America. Ụmụnna adịghị ready na ichi sef. A na-ekwu sef. Ụmụ gị adịghị ready ịga na that house. They are not ready. They will never go there. Because of that nonsense you build, nyaki iji wee chọọ ka ụmụnne gị nọ na eternal slavery. Ka egbusisie mmadụ niile maka na ịrụtara ụlọ. Genevieve apụta one time ago sọsọsọba ọnụ na ihe onwe na Abuja ga-ezu igote Biafra. Ka ọ na ụlọ anụghị ya. Have you forgotten? Nọ ndị ahụ gbakwa ọkụ nwanne m. Evange, I see you. Oluchinwa God, I see everybody. Onu, I see you. Uno gba. That is the reason why you want your people to keep being slavery forever, being slaves. You go tell two rooms. In the 80s, onye no nwaanyị na-abarụ arụhụ n'elu 1-on-1. Obobele mmadụ. Kedu na ahụ kita how far? My father in the 80s. My father built one upstairs for our grandma. We call her grandma. Our first wife, his first wife. My mother was the second wife. I'm a product of a polygamous family. You know, I do program for people to marry 100, as many you can marry. Marry. It's in our culture. Marry. No boy or job. If you are capable of marrying 10, marry. Nonsense. America, somebody's first wife in Nigeria. I was somebody's first wife. He had the second wife now in Nigeria. So don't come here to tell me that because I was married before. If it didn't work out, the first wife is not giving you what you want. Maybe the second one will give you. Go there. I didn't have a son. I have 2 girls. So the man needed a son. And he got somebody impregnated. And it doesn't move well with me, plus abusive wedding, our abusive marriage. I left. Let another person go there and give him the son he needs. Stop fighting for Kweku's business. Our forefathers married 10. Because my page don't support violence. So, but I support what is good. If you are tired, leave the man alone. Don't kill our brothers alone for us. Stop it. If the marriage is not good for you, leave it and let another person go and try. Ndị pastor na ericha kpekus na-egbusisikwa unu onye nke ọ dị aka orijuena o wel poison gharị ya n'ọnụ ọsụ ụfụfụ nwụhụ. Hancha bụ ihe ga na-akọ akọ. Ndị fada ejide ndị nke ha ga-ejide na-agbarikọ. It's one wife, one husband, one wife. I will do program for that one. This is not why I'm here now. Why am I here? Biafrans are ready to go. Are you ready to go? Join us. Share it. Like it. Write. If you can write, write. If you can share, share. If you can comment, comment. If you do something for freedom. Who is calling me? I don't want to answer. Do something to restore Biafra. Do something to make sure that our people back home are safe. We are ready to go. Thank you. Mary Ike, I see you. God bless you too. Judo Odezuru, I see you. Nnamdi Ogun, thank you, one name. We must restore Biafra. And when we restore Biafra, sanity, we must bring back the sanity of our culture. You see, today you see masquerade. Anokata, selfie. When you were little, Nandi Tolumba Tolu, 70s and 80s. Can that happen? Some people are the proud. If you share something that you don't like, your children will come up tomorrow and see it and want to practice it. For people that are sharing gay, people that turn to gay, it is not our culture. I'm not against them. Let them stay in their own culture. If America accepts them, let them be here. Some things are not in our culture. So what are you gaining by sharing it in your page? You don't know that this page, anything you drop in YouTube, in Facebook, if you don't delete it, your children will grow up tomorrow to want to practice it. So let's bring back the sanity. What we have what we serve before ndo blue sky Jesus liberation, but he was born he was born in Revelation, but he wrote Genesis, and Genesis was the first page, the first thing. Is the first woman on earth, but Cain and Abel, they gave birth to Cain and Abel. Cain and Abel gave sacrifice, and the sacrifice, one did not go well, one went well, and they later married. Who did he marry? If they are the first generation, who did they marry? So you are telling me there's another generation? Then you should use your brain. We want to bring sanity back to our culture. We want to restore Biafra. Restoration and freedom fighting is all around that. Don't tell me I should focus on freedom. Freedom is for everyone. If the Oyibo that came to take this, for example, this look like one of the things our forefathers used wood to make this. And they call it Alusi or Gugunanka. They call it, they pray over it, they use it to serve Okike Abiyama. The Oyibo that brought religion now told you that don't worship idol. A bag of cement. They now gave you bag of cement. Not be so. A bag of cement. Paint here on your paint here in Jesus white. Now paint Satan black. Uche gede one uche gede niano. Natabano no nderi. Natabano. We are ready. Biafrans are ready to go home. All round that, we must restore Biafra. We must restore Biafra. If you are not ready to go home, you want to remain in Nigeria, may Nigeria happen to you. May Fulani visit you. Ki another sky Jesus will release you on. Because on the reality hit, the game man have reality. Man on mad keji, man on mad bichibe. Or somebody can help again. Can you hear Papa Jesus come here the school from Akande Fulani? We are ready to go home. God bless all Biafrans. God bless everybody who wants to be liberated, who want to liberate our people, who has joined, who has paid paid for the gallant men to do the needful. Yes, mental slavery is second to none. There's no freedom. There's no freedom without one. Removing self from religious colonialism. That is it. So I am here. I've seen church. I've seen everything. I've seen how America looked. I've seen that Jesus did not build America. I've seen that the structures here supposed to be in my own country because I have enough mineral resources. We are blessed. We are more blessed than Americans. Why would they be living better than us? Why would they be living better than us? We must liberate our people. Join it. We are ready to go home. Are you ready, Biafrans? Are you ready? We must go home. We must restore Biafra. We must liberate our people. Liberation is all rounder. Don't think that you're supposed to be fighting for freedom. Don't talk about religion. Religion, my ass. That's why they divided you. The people in Saudi Arabia, the same Muslim, the Muhammad they are calling, is it different from the Muhammad the people in the north are calling? But they developed their own country. They developed their own country. Book is haram. Book is haram. Christian. This one are Christian. Kill them. It's either you are becoming a Muslim or we tie you. You tie all your brothers and sisters because of religion. If you go to North today, the Christian side of the northern Nigeria, they have eliminated most of them because of religion. They don't know that. They told them, once you kill an infidel, you will go, we will give you 100 virgin. Which penis you go use sleep with that virgin? Now the one where you don't bomb or you don't buy, where don't die finish. Now you want to enjoy the virgin. You see mental slavery. You see it? Do you understand what I'm saying now? You don't go to church, come to church. You will lie down praying and they will put tithe in an envelope. Put this one. This is my tithe. This is my prayer request, my prayer point for the month. The pastor will use it and buy private jet and be flying over everywhere, waiting for plan B. Once he hit, they will leave you behind. Your tithe and offering will buy private jet for them. Buy the heaven they are promising you when you die. They will build their own heaven in Nigeria. Flying private jet. You that is putting the tithe don't even have bicycle. Not be juju be that. I rest my case. God bless all Biafrans. God bless you all. Lovers of freedom. Anywhere you are watching, make sure you hit the like button and share it. Pass it to everyone. Remember, you must support what we are doing. Support the gallant men. Buy granite for our boys. We need Mbemiri. We need Ekwe. We need granite. We need anything that will make freedom to come. Make sure you put your own. I love you guys. Ada Biafra from Chicago. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube. The link is in the front. It's under the comment section. I love you all. I'm signing out. Before I leave, may God bless our leader, Mazen Nnamdi Kanu, our prime minister. Odogu the mathematics they could not solve. Bless ESN gallant men. Bless Biafrans all over the world. They say we love money. Please, love money. Receive. You must receive it. Money will flow. Good money, good job. If you are looking for spouse, the one that will not give you heart attack. Everything you need in life, key into it. I love you guys. Remain blessed. God bless you, all our followers. Thank you. I